Welcome to our channel. I hope this video is useful.
Intermediates 1 #8. Learn how to make this delicious Indonesian dish.
Tata bahasa.
Grammar.
The focus of this lesson is using conjunctions when giving detailed instructions.
Kalau tidak sibuk, boleh minta tolong enggak?
Hey, if you are not busy, can I ask for help? In this lesson we are going to learn to ask someone to teach you something or give you instructions. Keywords/phrases.
Boleh.
May.
Mohon.
To ask, to implore.
Tolong.
To help, please.
Bisa.
Can, could.
Minta.
To ask, to request.
Ajarkan.
To teach.
Ajarin.
To teach.
Cara.
Way, method.
Petunjuk.
Instruction, guidance.
Dong.
Please.
Phrases.
Boleh minta tolong.
May ask for help.
Boleh.
Means, may.
Minta.
Means to ask, and.
Tolong.
Means to help.
Mohon, ajarkan saya.
Please teach me.
Mohon.
Means to ask or to implore.
Ajarkan.
Means to teach, and.
Saya.
Is the formal I or me.
Tolong ajarkan saya.
Please teach me.
Tolong.
Means to help or please.
Ajarkan.
Means to teach, and.
Saya.
Is the formal I or me.
Bisa ajarkan aku.
Can you teach me?
Bisa.
Means can or could.
Ajarkan.
Means to teach, and.
Aku.
Is the informal I or me.
Tolong beri aku petunjuk.
Please give me instructions/please give me guidance.
Tolong.
Means to help or please.
Beri.
Means to give.
Aku.
Is the informal I or me, and.
Petunjuk.
Means instruction or guidance.
Mohon petunjuknya.
Please guide me, literally, please the instruction.
Mohon.
Means to ask or to implore, and.
Petunjuknya.
Means the instruction. For example, formal.
Boleh minta tolong ajarkan saya?
May I ask you to teach me?
Mohon ajarkan saya untuk memasak nasi goreng.
Please teach me how to cook fried rice.
Tolong ajarkan saya bahasa Indonesian.
Please teach me Indonesian, literally, help to teach me. Informal.
Bisa ajarkan aku matematika?
Can you teach me math?
Bisa ajarkan aku bagaimana caranya?
Can you teach me how to do it? Colloquial/very informal.
Minta petunjuk dong.
May I ask for instructions, literally request instruction please.
Minta ajarin dong.
May I ask for you to teach me? Using and understanding conjunctions used in instructions.
Jika, kalau,
If,
sekalipun,
even though, even if,
jika seandainya,
in case,
agar, supaya,
in order to,
kalau tidak,
or else,
dan,
and,
supaya,
so that,
daripada,
then, rather than,
kemudian, lalu,
then,
sampai, hingga,
till, until,
meskipun,
though, although, even though,
yang,
that, which,
sementara,
while, whilst,
sambil,
while,
masih,
still,
kecuali kalau,
unless,
setelah, sesudah.
after. For example,
Rebus air sampai mendidih kemudian masukkan mie dan bumbu-bumbunya.
boil the water until it's boiling then add the noodle and the spices.
Mie akan matang setelah 10 menit kecuali kalau suka yang lembut rebuslah lebih lama.
The noodles will be ready in 10 minutes, but if you like them softer please boil them longer.
Masukkan santan sambil diaduk dalam api kecil supaya tidak pecah.
Add the coconut milk while stirring it on low heat so they don't separate.
Meskipun butuh sedikit, lebih baik mempersiapkan lebih jika seandainya ada yang rusak.
Although we need a few, it's better to prepare more in case there is damage.
Tekan tombol ini jika kamu ingin menghentikannya.
Press this button if you want to stop it.
Kamu harus tetap mengawasinya, kalau tidak hasilnya buruk.
You have to keep your eyes on it, or else the result will be bad.
Sementara menunggu sampai dingin, siapkan hiasannya.
While waiting for it to cool, prepare the garnish.
Jangan buka tutup pancinya sekalipun kamu penasaran.
Don't open the pot lid even though you are curious. Sample sentences.
Tolong ajarkan saya.
Please teach me.
Mohon petunjuknya.
Please guide me.
Daripada kekurangan, buatlah lebih banyak.
Rather than too few, please make more.
Wawasan budaya.
Cultural insight.
Pempek, the fish cake delicacy from Palembang. Pempek, which is also called mpek-mpek or empek-empek, is one of the most famous dishes from Palembang, South Sumatra. This savory fish cake dough delicacy is made of wahoo fish, or sometimes snakehead fish, tapioca flour, egg, and water. There are some variants of pempek, but two of the most common ones are
Pempek kapal salam,
literally submarine pempek, where a chicken egg is wrapped inside the pempek dough, boiled or steamed, then deep fried. The second common pempek variant is pempek lenjer, which is made from the same dough, without the chicken egg inside it, rolled into a long cylindrical shape. There are more than 10 varieties of pempek available, but personally I like pempek lenjer more than any other, and I always ask my friends and my mom to bring me some in a vacuum package when they come to visit me. For flavor, pempek is served with dark brown vinegar sauce which tastes sweet, sour and spicy and is called kuka in Indonesian, or kuko in the Palembang language. Kuka is made of water, brown sugar, chili, garlic, and salt. Then it is served together with yellow egg, noodles, diced cucumber, and a sprinkle of ground dried shrimp. You can find this on the streets and restaurants in Palembang, up to the neighboring city of Bandar Lampung, and being sold everywhere from food courts to street vendor carts, or even bicycles, in Jakarta. But it is not as easy to find it in cities other than these. My cousin happens to be very picky about good food, and since we know that the pempek in Jakarta doesn't taste as good as that from Palembang, she always orders it and has it delivered within 3 days. Useful expression.
Bagaimana cara membuat adonan pempek?
How do I make the pempek dough?
Kosakata.
vocabulary,
Mie.
noodles, noodles,
Cara.
Way, method.
Masak.
To cook.
Campur.
To mix.
Pempek.
Fish cake delicacy from Palembang.
Cuka.
vinegar,
Aduk.
To stir.
Sibuk.
busy,
Potong.
To cut.
Sepupu.
cousin,
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Saya makan mie goreng untuk sarapan tadi pagi.
I had fried noodles for breakfast earlier this morning.
Saya tidak tahu cara memasaknya.
I don't know how to cook it.
Cara pemakaian dapat kamu baca di kertas petunjuk.
You can read the instructions on how to use it.
Koki kepala itu sedang memasak di dapur.
The chef is cooking in the kitchen.
Campur bahan-bahan dan diamkan selama 30 menit.
Mix the ingredients and let it sit for 30 minutes.
Bila kamu mencampur berkas-berkas itu, kita harus memulainya lagi dari mula.
If you mix the files, we have to start again from the beginning.
Kamu beli pempek ini di mana?
Where did you buy this pempek?
Cuka untuk pempek rasanya manis, asam dan pedas.
The vinegar for pempek tastes sweet, sour and hot.
Mohon aduk campurannya di atas api kecil.
Please stir the mixture over low heat.
Dia sedang sibuk belajar.
He is busy with studying.
Stasiun kereta api selalu ramai.
The train station is always crowded.
Apakah kamu sibuk pada hari Sabtu?
Are you busy on Saturday?
Tolong potong rumput di halaman belakang.
Please cut the grass in the backyard.
Tolong kupas wortel ini dan potong kecil-kecil.
Please peel this carrot and cut it into small pieces.
Kita harus memotong pizzanya menjadi beberapa potong, jadi semuanya bisa makan.
We will have to cut the pizza into pieces so that everybody can eat.
Sepupu saya akan berkunjung selama seminggu.
My cousin will visit for a week.
Saya sangat dekat dengan sepupu saya.
I'm very close with my cousin.
Penggunaan frasa kosakata.
Vocabulary phrase usage.
Oh, begitu.
Oh, I see, literally oh like that. Oh is an interjection meaning oh, and
Begitu
is a pronoun meaning like that, in that manner, such, or so. It's usually said in informal situations. It is an expression to let others know that you understood. Another alternative to
oh begitu is begitu ya.
Which means is that so. In formal situations we say
Saya mengerti. Saya
is the formal I or me.
mengerti.
Consists of the prefix
Meng
from the me group and the root word
arti.
which is derived from the word arti, which means meaning.
Mengerti.
Means to understand the meaning. So
Saya mengerti.
means I understand the meaning. For example,
Oh begitu, hebat juga kamu.
oh, I see, you are terrific.
Tenang saja.
Just relax.
Tenang
Means quiet, or calm, and
saja.
means just or only. So,
Tenang saja.
means just, calm or just relax. We can use this phrase in formal and informal situations, although relax is.
Santai.
In Indonesian, it is odd to say.
Santai saja.
Instead, people will simply say,
Santai.
in informal to very informal situations, to ask someone to relax, not to rush in doing something, or to not to think too much about something. Besides,
Tenang saja.
we have,
Jangan panik.
which means don't panic. For example,
Tenang saja, dia pasti pulang sebentar lagi.
just relax, he should be back shortly.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Kalau tidak sibuk, boleh minta tolong enggak?
Hey, if you are not busy, can I ask for help?
Boleh, aku enggak sibuk kok.
Sure, I'm not busy.
Kemarin aku dikasih oleh-oleh pempek dari saudara sepupu aku. Bisa tolong masakin?
Yesterday my cousin gave me pempek as a souvenir. Can you please cook them?
Aku enggak tahu caranya sih, bisa ajarin?
I don't know how, can you teach me?
Oke, keluarin pempek dan cukanya dulu dari kulkas. Tolong kamu rebus dulu pempeknya sampai matang dan mengapung. Setelah itu digoreng, lalu dipotong-potong.
Sure, take the pempek and the vinegar from the fridge. First, boil the pempek until it is cooked and floats. After that, fry it, then cut it into pieces.
Oh, begitu. Cukanya bagaimana?
Oh, I see. What about the vinegar sauce?
Untuk cukanya, nanti tolong rebus air 200 cm kubik. Kalau sudah mendidih, masukkan cuka kentalnya. Terus diaduk sampai tercampur rata.
For the vinegar sauce, boil 200 milliliters of water, then when it's boiling add the condensed vinegar sauce, then stir until it's well mixed.
Sudah begitu saja.
Is that it?
Oh iya, hampir lupa. Terakhir, tolong potong mentimun kotak-kotak dan rebus mie sebagai pelengkapnya.
Oh, I almost forgot. Last, please dice the cucumber, and boil some noodles to go with it.
Sip, tenang saja.
Got it, just take it easy.
Thank you for watching this video, hopefully useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.